Good morning, everyone. Let's learn about some percussion instruments today. I'm Mrs. Candace, and I used to play percussion instruments in band. They are so much fun and easy to do at home. The xylophone will play many different keys, so you can make up wonderful songs. Listen and enjoy. The easiest instrument to play is maybe the drums. You can make one out of almost anything. Go around your house and drum on things. The tambourine sounds like bells. It's fun to shake and dance to the sounds. The clashing sound of a cymbal is wonderful. You can get 2 lids from pots at home and you can make your own cymbals. The soft sound of the bell gets our attention. Listen to the bell as it rings. What can you find around your house to make musical instruments? Practice your songs and play them for your family.